How cottage industries work and why it is important. A cottage industry refers to a small-scale and decentralized manufacturing or production system, in which goods are produced at home. It is usually operated by individuals or small groups of artisans or workers, often using traditional methods and tools. Cottage industries are typically characterized by their small scale, with limited production capacity. The workforce involved is often a handful of people and the production output is relatively modest. Production takes place in homes or family-owned workshops rather than in large factories or industrial facilities. This decentralized approach allows for flexibility and individual craftsmanship. Cottage industries often rely on basic tools and traditional techniques. Craftsmen may use hand tools and manual processes to create products. Also, the goods produced in cottage industries are often intended for local or regional markets, and they may be customized or tailored to suit the preferences and needs of the local community. Moreover, many cottage industries produce artisanal or handcrafted goods, which are often valued for their uniqueness and quality. Historically, cottage industries were prevalent in agricultural societies, but they still exist in various forms today. For example, many jewelry makers and designers operate as cottage industries. They create unique and handcrafted pieces in small workshops using traditional tools and techniques, along with a variety of materials such as metals, gemstones, and beads. They often sell their jewelry at local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online marketplaces like Etsy. This type of cottage industry allows artisans to express their creativity. Another example is the production of homemade soaps and candles. Small-scale producers, often working from home, craft these products using traditional methods and natural ingredients. They may sell their soaps and candles at local stores, craft markets, or online platforms. They may emphasize the use of organic and eco-friendly materials to make their products more unique. Many food items are produced by cottage industries. For instance, family-owned bakeries create artisanal bread, pastries, and cookies using traditional recipes and methods. Local farmers might produce small batches of homemade jams, jellies, or cheese, often using produce from their own farms. These products are then sold at local farmers markets or through special food stores. The cottage industry was important for several reasons. Cottage industries provided a source of income and economic activity for individuals and families, especially those families in rural areas. As a result, cottage industries can create many job opportunities for a wide range of people, including women, children, and the elderly. This was particularly important in societies where formal employment opportunities were limited. Another important advantage of the cottage industry is that it allows for decentralized production. Goods were manufactured in local communities and homes, reducing the need for centralized factories and urbanization. This helped maintain a balanced distribution of economic activities in different areas. Also, cottage industries promoted the development and preservation of traditional crafts and skills. Artisans and craftsmen handed down their expertise through apprenticeships, ensuring the continuity of important cultural and manufacturing knowledge. Moreover, the goods produced in cottage industries often found ready markets in local and regional areas. This localized production and distribution helped meet the basic needs of nearby communities, and was closely tied to cultural traditions and heritage. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe button for more interesting topics.